Do you need a main sewer cleanout installed, or do you need a drain camera service to determine if you have one? Are you wondering what to expect and what the cost would be? In this quick video, we'll show you what to expect. When we arrive to your property, we'll access the sewer through the main vent on the roof, or we'll pull a toilet so that we can access the drain and run a sewer camera through the pipes. A line tracer is used to pinpoint where the camera is inside of the drain pipe. Once located, we'll excavate to uncover the drain and cut out a section to install a two-way double cleanout. Backfilling with salt prevents future root growth in that area. The dirt gets compacted with a final yard cleanup, almost making it appear like we were never even there. Drain and sewer cleanouts vary in price based on the location of the pipe, the depth, material composition, and hardscape. In most cases, the average cleanout installation price will range from $900 to $1,800. If you have questions regarding a main sewer cleanout for your home, reach out today. We're always happy to help.